I'm with it.
Okay. Can you guys close your ears?
Mm-hmm.
This one. I'm gonna turn it on, okay?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Ooh. Super loud.
Yep. So we do
All
have
right.
a motor.
Oh, you bought a motor already?
So
The lights work and everything. This one is out.
this is
That's the motor?
yeah, there you go.
Okay. Good, good. Now you know exactly what motor it was?
I'm sorry, what?
I said they know exactly which one it was as
I mean,
well?
we sent them
Okay. The everything. Okay. Nice. You ready? Just to get access, we had to pull a whole bunch of stuff just to check it out. Still can't even get up there. And I have to take that top piece off again. When you take everything down, you still can't get to the fan. They block the fan away. So nope, can't get to this fan. You think you can figure out the problem?
Wow.
Pull that out. Yep, that was the issue. That's it. It was just sideways in there. So she could. No new fan. I'm gonna put it back together and see. You see, I had to break this whole thing down just for that, right?
Where was this part from?
I don't know. It probably was the cover from here. And it just fell down in it. This was your problem.
Oh.
That you were sitting sideways in the fan, in the top. Do you see how that spin?
Oh.
Mm-hmm. So it was just stuck in there. Remember that other last one we left in there?
Yeah.
It make
That
a little
noise?
it make a little flap noise, like
Yeah,
pom
that's
pom
what I
pom
thought.
pom like a pan.
That's what
So I'm gonna just take it out.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah.
Alright, I'll take it out.
Yeah, take it off.
Alright. Basically this is causing the problem. Both sides. The fan is way light duty. And you see that's rubber and that's metal. So it could even fit anywhere unless I convert it. Give it a shot. That's one. One sound powerful. You see that? And three. Put on the light. Alright. So we good as gold. And this one was a smaller one anyway. You see it right here is plastic. And the other one is all metal. So you know nothing beat the original. So that's the best. That's number one. We'll pull this all the way up in there. How many people you gotta try to get to fix it?
The third person.
I'm the third person. And that's it. They ain't gonna pass me, man. So you let me know. I do everything inside the house.
There's one more thing if you can take that downstairs.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay, the vent cover. Okay.
The thing is, it was just like stuck.
Okay. So
So I
the
don't know.
vent work right now?
Yeah, the vent works.
Okay.
It's just how do we
Get the cover
install
back
this?
on? No
Yeah.
stress, I got you.
Yeah.
If anything, I just drill it and put a screw in it.
Yeah.
Cause they
Yeah,
they
they-
double-sided tape it.
Yeah, and it's like keeps taking off our.
Alright, no worries, I got you. Two screw,
Okay.
feel it,
They go into the wall.
feel it. And to the metal,
Oh, okay.
no moving.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That works. Nice.
Mm-hmm. That's it.
Good.
All you gotta do is just show me the problem.